Good morning, YouTube. This is Don from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a haul from acmoore. So, I had a coupon, 55% off one item, plus 33% off anything that wasn't on sale. Plus, all the Love Nicole items were on sale, 40% off all of the scrapbooking, whether it was embellishments, dies, embossing folders, rhinestones, bling. I mean, all of her product line, washi, everything was 40% off. So it was a really good sale. So it was a little hard to find out what to use a 55% off coupon, but of course, I won that victory. Anyway, they had, first let's start with these candles. They had them 3 for $10, which they do that periodically. Be nice if you had smell-o-vision. You could smell that. This one is the Home Accents. And I like this because it's fresh linen. And I like that smell. Nice and clean. And then the other one, which I don't need, is caramel. I know some people say it differently. I say caramel. Caramel. Either one. Caramel, caramel. I say caramel. Well, I say caramel too. I take that back. I say both. But I only say aunt. I don't say aunt. I would say, well, yeah, I would say aunt. It's funny how you say different things different ways. But anyway, this smells good. I probably don't need that in my craft room because I might get hungry and I don't eat sweets anymore. But so they were 3 for $10, and then I got just some clear tacky glue, Eileen's. That was on sale, I think. Then I got, this is what I used my 55% off coupon. So I think it was $6, and it had 55% plus 33% off. So it's like $6 or something like this for this. Because you know they never had it in my Hobby Lobby when it was on clearance. Just had the other set. But I could never find this one at my other Hobby Lobby, but I think either one of those ones, I can't remember. But anyway, so I was able to get this one, and y'all seen that set before, I'm sure. I hope the lighting's okay because it's early and I got a light on. So again, all of her bling was 40% off, and these were like anywhere from $2.99 to $3.99 for 40% off, so they weren't that expensive. And it's 45 minutes from my house, so I figured I'd stock up while I was there. I only got a couple of the small stamp and die sets. I didn't get any more of the big stamps, excuse me, the big die sets. I have most of those. They were like $15 on sale. They would have been like $9. But I just picked up a couple small ones, and some of these rang up more than 40% off. So these should have been like $2.40, and some rang up for $1 and I think 20 cents. I don't know if they were able to get the 33% off them too, but somehow they ring up cheaper than the 40% off. So this is a mini stamp and die. This is just a camera, a little small camera with the die. Don't let that too bright. This just says save the date. Stamp and die set. So just little ones. But I like the fact that you can, you know, cut out those extra pieces. And the bike. And then these are just small little mini tags. Then I just got some bling. And these are 4mm, 576 pieces of pearls. Don't know if you can see that too well. These are the black rhinestones, 560 pieces of 4mm. 3mm blue, 837. These are small. The red, 3mm, same amount. The dark blue and the pink. I like getting these because they're the small ones, and it's hard to find these. And of course, you got to get them clear. Especially 40% off was a good deal. I got some of the sugar dots, 10mm, and these are 45. And these were, I think, $3.99 with 40% off. So they were like $2.40, and these were like $1 and some cent. Yeah, these were $1 and some change, and these were like $2.40. And then these gold, they're more like they're opaque, so it's not like the clear rhinestone. These look more metallic in the inside. It's 264 of those. These are just some silver enamel dots, and they're 6, 8, and 10mm, and they're 72. And then I got them in black. They're the only enamel dots ones they had because I would have got other colors. These are some pearl centers, the stickers with a little beading around the center, and that's like the off-white or ivory or whatever, and then the white or pearl, whatever you want to call it. And then these just for some baby albums I thought would be nice to have on hand. So you have to check Love Nicole. They do some nice sales, and I like her products. I mean, they're good products, especially her dyes. Her dyes cut. I mean, I've not had one problem with her dyes. They cut in the first pass, and they emboss very well. And usually I can cut and emboss in one step with her dyes. So I really like her brand. So anyway, that is my haul from AC Moore's, and I also like the fact they give you a rewards coupon for like 10 bucks that you can spend on anything as long as it costs 10 bucks and 1 cent. So hopefully I'll be getting that soon. Anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And guess what? I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless.